Hi, I'm Stuart from Sawmill Studios. Today, we're going to build our box with handle. We've got the kit right here, and we'll get started on that in a moment. First, safety. Kids, you should have an adult with you while you're doing this. Adults, please let the kids do the projects, but we need to make sure that you're wearing eye protection, that could include prescription glasses or goggles. I suggest you tie your hair back if you have long hair, and I want you to just be careful, okay? Working on a hard surface is important. It's hard to nail on something that's squishy like carpet or so on. You can set down a piece of plywood, do it on the garage floor or something like that, but try not to damage the surface below, but make sure you got a good hard surface to hammer against. All right, let's get started. First, we've got our pieces here. This is the handle. It's got a small piece with holes in it. We've got two sides. The top, we're not going to get to right off. We're going to wait on the top. And that has two holes in it. Let's set that one aside with the handle. The other piece that looks like the top but doesn't have holes, that's the bottom. And we're going to start by taking our two long sides and we're going to nail them on like this, okay? I'm going to start the nails down on the bench. It's a little easier for me to do that. Try to hit straight on, try not to hammer crooked, go straight on with your hammer, okay? We're gonna put two nails in this. So once I've got it started, now I can hold it up, and this is a great time for the grown-ups to come in and just hang on to the piece and support it while our young builders are putting it together. Try to keep this all lined up. So I've got it nice and even on the ends, even on the bottom. We're looking good so far. One side's on. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Oh, my kit. I forgot my kit. I've got a piece of sandpaper, two small pieces, two round dowels, and some nails. I'm going to start those nails again on the bench. That's easier for me. I don't drive it all the way through. We don't want to hurt the surface below. We just want to get it started. Again, this is a great time for adults to hang on to the pieces and support us. Here we are. We've got the two sides on it. Let's work on the ends. These are the two end pieces, and they're going to slide right down inside. And we'll keep them even on the ends. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue on here so I can use less nails. If you want to use more nails, that's okay. There's always extra nails in your kit. But we're going to use a little glue. It comes in the kit. But you can use school glue, Elmer's glue, wood glue, whatever you like. And the two surfaces where they're going to meet, I am going to squish that glue right together. And I'm going to keep a paper towel around in case I've got a little glue squeeze out or I get some on my fingers. Okay, so that guy's in there. Let's put a nail in to hold it in place. If there's glue, one nail should be enough in each side. If you don't have glue, you probably need more nails. But because I glued it, I think we're in good shape. Okay, we've got one end on, let's do the other. Back to the glue. I don't know if you can see how much glue I put on, but something like that. You can spread it out with your fingers if you like. Slide this guy in, make sure it's all the way down, all the way in, and it looks good, so I'm going to nail it there. Again, just one nail per side because I glued it. If I didn't glue it, maybe I'd put two nails in. You could also put a nail in from the bottom if you'd prefer. That'll work. Okay, we're ready to get started on our top. The top piece is going to fit right inside like that. Okay? But one thing about it is it could slide back and forth right now. What we want to do is we want to attach these two small pieces in like this so it can't slide. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on both pieces, and we're going to have to wait for the glue to dry when we get to that point. I'm going to see which, no, see? my holes have to be in the top for that handle. So on the bottom of the top, right near the edge, right just inside of this piece, I'm going to glue this guy on. Right about in the middle. But just so it won't slide back and forth. And that will take care of one side. The glue's going to take a little bit of time to dry, but that's okay. We can keep working. We'll just be careful. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Try to get it in the middle, just inside of this point here. Get it lined up, press it down. We don't need to nail it. The glue will do the work, but we do need to wait for the glue to dry. So that's pretty good. We're just inside on both sides. We want to make sure it's not too tight, or we'll never get the top on and off. Okay, now we're going to try to keep those steady. Now, we're going to put a drop of glue in each of these two holes in the top. And if you want to put some glue around the bottom like this, the bottom of one of your dowels, you can do that too. But I think if you just put it in the hole, it's enough. I'm going to stick that in and just tap it gently. Make sure it's all the way down. I had a little bit of glue squeeze out, so I got my paper towel for that. I'll do the same thing on the second one. Just a little bit of glue, because I already have some in the hole. Put that in and tap her down. Oh, I had more glue squeeze out that time. Okay, we're good and clean. The last step here is the handle. Then we're going to have to wait for the glue to dry. I'm going to put a little bit of glue, a couple of drops, inside the two holes. Then I'm just going to put a little bit near the top here. And this is going to make a little bit of a mess. We know that. That's why we got a paper towel. Now we're going to put these guys right in the holes. If I can line them up. Tap it down. I like the dowel sticking up a little bit, but you don't have to do it that way. You can put your handle down as far as you want to. I'm going to wipe off the extra glue. And we're eventually going to sand this. That's what we're going to want to do, is come in and get these sharp edges. Right now, though, I want to make sure that my two pieces didn't move, because I want them, while I was working, I want to make sure that they didn't move on us. It's good. I also can see that one side's a little higher than the other, so I'm going to tap one side down. And that's looking a little better. Now, we're going to give this a few minutes to dry. It might even take overnight to completely dry, but it'll be mostly solid within a matter of about 20 minutes or so. Okay, so we'll let that sit, and then we're going to come back and we'll sand the edges with our paper. You can start on the bottom now, but we'll let the glue in the top rest for now, okay? Well, I hope you had fun with this project, and work safely. Remember those safety glasses, protect those eyes, and have a great day. Bye.